Beach County. Now for the next few hours, not bad. We'll see some sunshine, some clouds. Looking good if you want to head out to the beach. Just a few coastal rains, so just be aware of that. We'll see some inland rains and thunderstorms, basically mainly after 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, impacting the Treasure Coast and parts of the Palm Beaches later this afternoon. Meanwhile, as the storm system tracks towards the north in the next 24 to 48 hours, we could see some tropical moisture heading our direction, especially on Sunday morning. Moving on shore, lots of showers and storms near the Bahamas, and also those gusty winds that will be increasing up to 15 to 20 miles per hour. We'll see some rain bands impacting our inland communities. On and off rains will be possible, so only a 50% coverage of rain on your Sunday. Meanwhile, the tropical storm system will be likely just east of our area, but all the convection will be on the north side of it. So we'll see drier air right behind that with some sunshine, gusty winds out of the north, and a few light rains on Monday, on and off rains on Monday afternoon. And besides the rain, we'll see those winds increasing starting on Sunday afternoon, especially during the nighttime hours, anywhere between 15 to 20 miles per hour, and strong wind gusts close to the 20s and the 30s, especially near coastal areas and even offshore as well. And into your Monday, we'll see those gusty winds. For today, we'll see plenty of sunshine. The winds will stay pretty calm on your Saturday. Afternoon showers and storms between 2 and 6 o'clock this evening. Today will be the perfect day to head out to the beach. Taking out the boat, we have waves less than a foot. In the next 24 hours, a whole different story with those large waves up to 4 to even 6 feet on Sunday morning. Now out on the waters now, just less than 2 feet, a moderate risk of rip currents. The high risk will actually increase on your Sunday and Monday. Winds staying calm today. We'll see some coastal rains moving on shore. Your 7-day forecast, we'll be watching the tropics for you very closely on your Sunday. Monday, we'll see less rain, just a couple of those coastal rains, and then looking beautiful on Tuesday and Wednesday with hot temperatures in the lower 90s.